For anyone new here, this is not a bird park, a bird feeding park. Come here, babe. That's my backyard. Black-capped chickadee, come see what I have. I guarantee it's better than what... It's better than what's in the tree. Hi, baby. This is better than what's in the feeder. Yeah. Here, babe. It's better than what's in the feeder. Like that hop. Hi, baby. The kitty won't get you. Trying to get that little bird. Well, that other little bird to come to me. There's a little bird. You want to come see me too? Finish your drink. Hi, babe. What? Come here, chickadee. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Is there a chickadee in that tree? Well, I thought so. Come here, baby. Come here. The cat's not going to bother you. Did you miss me? Come here. I went to the store. Hi, darling. Hey, baby. Hi. There's a crazy flight. That was no accident. Come here, other annoyed little bird. You're going to the feeder, aren't you? Oh, maybe not. You're just gonna eat it there. Cool. Wanna come see me? Hey, it's like being at a bird park. Come here, little birds. Hi. What? Oh. Come see me. Come here. Hey, little bird. Come see me. Come here. Come see me. Hi. Hey, water bird. Hey, loud, noisy chickadee. Are you trying to get my attention? Come here. Come. What's all the hubbub? It's that cat, isn't it? Stay, stay, Walter, stay. Lay down. Fall down, Walter. Fall down. There, good boy. Come find me, angry little bird. Come here. Here, come on. Come on. Come. Come see me, birds. Somebody come see me. Come here, baby. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here, little baby. Come here. Come here, darling. Anybody else? No, not you. Come from the feeder. Come here. How about that? Hi. Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. That's a lot of talking. Yeah. See me, little bird. Come see me, little apple tree bird. Come here. Oh, you almost made it. Try a little harder. There you go. Wow, I didn't see you coming. Come here, little bird. Come see me. Come see me. Hi. Anybody else? Uh-oh. I hear the crows. Yep. Hi, little bird. Hi, little bird. Long flight. A little longer than that. Come on. Black cap chickadee. That's pretty good. See if your friend will do it. Come on. Come here, baby. Jump. Good one. All right. Hello. Anybody else? Come here. Come here, baby. Hi. Yeah, your one friend's going to the water. Here, you want to come see me first? Come here, little babe. Come here. Oh, different babe. That's fine. This is absolutely a sign of fall coming on.